Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making a glossy chocolate base. Combine dry cocoa and sugar so sweetness distributes evenly. Melt chopped dark chocolate over a double boiler. This prevents seizing, and stir in 60 ml warm cream gradually, which smooths texture and controls shine. Once done, whisk until homogeneous and slightly thickened. This is your flavor backbone. Make sure to keep heat low so temper stays stable, because overheating will grind out oils and ruin mouthfeel. Move now to integrating dairy and structure elements. You continue by building texture. Temper 2 egg yolks with a small stream of warm chocolate so they don't scramble, then fold them back gently into the base to enrich body and silkiness. Whip 150 ml cream to soft peaks. This adds lift. Fold it in using broad strokes to preserve air, because overmixing flattens the final product. Once combined, add 1 teaspoon vanilla and a pinch of salt to enhance chocolate notes. Make sure to taste and adjust sweetness before chilling. You finish by pouring the mixture into prepared molds and tapping to release trapped air. This prevents pockets and ensures smooth slices. Chill for 2 to 4 hours until set but still slightly yielding. This maintains a creamy mouthfeel. To serve, warm the surface lightly with a torch or warm spoon for a glossy finish, and bring to about 15 to 18 degrees Celsius. If the texture turns grainy, rewarm very gently with a splash of cream and strain. If it splits, repurpose as a warm chocolate sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.